can now bring in France 24's Bénédicte Paviot standing by in London. Bénédicte, 7 sites have been turned into mass vaccination centres over in the UK. They will vaccinate approximately 4 people a minute. How much faster does the Prime Minister want to go here?
Prime Minister Boris Johnson is very ambitious. Indeed, this is a historic rollout, the biggest rollout of vaccinations throughout the United Kingdom, throughout the National Health Service. So the ambitious programme means that he wants 2 million people to be vaccinated per month. And indeed, if he is to meet that target that he's set himself, that he's set the government, of 15 million vaccinations by mid-February for the 4 top priority, most vulnerable groups here in the United Kingdom, then that is what is needed, 2 million per week. And we know that already 2.3 million people have been vaccinated. That is very good, but it will need to be absolutely ramped up if indeed that 15 million objective is indeed to be accomplished and achieved. From 7 mass vaccination centres opened yesterday around the UK, the ambition is to get 1,000 vaccination centres rolled out. So it is ambitious, and we will get daily data of vaccinations.
Now, Bénédicte, we have this big rollout, this vaccination rollout coming in a big way because at the same time, COVID-19 is circulating in the country and hospitals are now feeling the pressure.
The pandemic is raging. It's more than circulating. It's absolutely clearly climbing on a daily basis, alarmingly so. And that is particularly because of that new variant discovered here with the genomic skills of the United Kingdom. So the latest figures on Monday showed a further 529 people had died in the UK within 28 days of a positive test. Another 46,169 new cases, which means that the UK has got over 81,000 deaths so far during the pandemic. When you know that there are over 32,000 people in hospital in the UK with coronavirus, you'll know that those figures are indeed worrying. And the risk is that the National Health Service will be overwhelmed, amongst other things, here in the British capital in London. We know that the mayor declared a major incident because of that. So are tougher measures needed? Ministers have not ruled them out. It was the object, apparently, of a cabinet meeting this morning. Stricter enforcement has been announced. So if Monday was the day about talking about vaccinations and the mass rollout, today is very much about enforcement. And the message is exercise, not socialise. So there is a lot of controversy and talk, not just, certainly not in pubs, because the pubs aren't open, about Boris Johnson, the Prime Minister, taking a 7-mile bike ride into the east of London. Does that qualify as local or not? Discuss. Or perhaps not right now, but I can tell you lots of people are talking about it. The Met Police Commissioner says it was not illegal.
Humans are social creatures. It's really difficult to stay home and, to prevent this virus from spreading. Thank you very much for that, Bénédicte Paviot reporting that from London.